me then, they want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's the view now, tell me how's the view now.
Okay guys, so now that we're done with this hair, and we're gonna get to this makeup. And I pretty much did my eyebrows off camera. I hope you guys like them. I mean, they're done to my liking. I'm not a professional at eyebrows, so, and my eyebrows are not done, so it's kind of harder for me to do my eyebrows when they're not done. But yes, this is what you're gonna get for right now. So yeah, like I said, I did my eyebrows off camera, and when I'm doing my makeup, I do pretty simple makeup, like something kind of natural, but you can tell I have on makeup. But yeah, I do stuff simple. So like I said, y'all can grow with me. I'm not a professional at makeup, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup. I start off with my MAC moisturizing cream, and I use that before I even put my foundation on to keep my face hydrated. And you know, it's crazy because I thought because I had oily skin, I'm not supposed to put moisturizer on my face before doing my makeup, but guess I was wrong. So ever since then, I put moisturizer on my face before I do my makeup, and I noticed that when I do my makeup with the moisturizer, my makeup come out way more smoother. Like, it comes out so smooth. So I like it. Whatever. Yeah, so I use that moisturizer. And then this is pretty normal. A lot of girls have it. It's like around your mouth part, you will notice it's like darker, or I know around mine it is. Some people under eyes is darker, so when you're like my complexion, you use a color corrector. I use this color corrector stick from e.l.f., the color orange, and I just put it right here, like around my mouth part, because mainly I put this around here because I have a mustache, you know, like I'm very hairy, so I have like this mustache that shows, and so I just cover it up with this color corrector. Boop. And I use my beauty blender. And I just blend it out. Like I said, I'm not no professional, but I learned that, like, watching other beauty channels, the key to perfect makeup is blending. Right? If you know how to blend, then your makeup will come out really good. But if you don't blend correctly, baby, don't go outside looking like that. And sometimes I use Studio Fix, my liquid Studio Fix from MAC. And then sometimes I use the powder Studio Fix from MAC. Oh, my bad. And sometimes I use both. It just depends what look I go for. But I think I might just do the liquid, because I don't want to do the powder and the liquid today. So I think I'm just do the liquid. I need a pump, because this one. And because mine don't have the pump, I just pat it on my face like this. And I just blend it out. . Okay, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna do what do I do next? My eyeliner. Like I said, I don't really put too much of a lot of stuff on. I just put basic stuff on. But I'm definitely gonna do my eyeliner. My camera is definitely going dead, so I gotta hurry up. But back to these eyes. I'm doing this eyeliner. Nothing too heavy. And I do my top eyeliner with liquid eyeliner. It's probably e.l.f., but it's so not on a label, so I can't tell you guys which one it is. I hope this video is not super long because I'm trying to fit everything in at one time. And I just create my wing. Oop. I'm gonna do this other one. And now I have that done. After that, I do, I'm hecka loud, huh? After that, I'm gonna use my Anglola from the color crayon case. I love this highlight. I absolutely love this highlight. And if you know me, you know I love highlight. I love to glow. I love to pop. Boop. So yeah, this is one of the highlights that I use. And I just placed that in the corner of my eye. For some reason, I love for my eyes to pop. They ain't nothing extravaganza, but you know. I will just place that right here. And what's poppin'? What's good? What it is? What's up? I need to start watching Kelly Sweets. And then I put some also on my cheekbone area. My camera is really going dead. Do y'all see that? I love this highlighter. And that's pretty much what I use for my makeup. And I ain't got no lip gloss right now, but I just throw on some lip gloss and I call it a day. And like, that's just pretty much it. I highlight my eyebrow area sometimes. Do I want to highlight that today? Why not? I'm already glowing. Why not? So that's one. Okay. The sun.
Tell me how's it feel now? Tell me how's it feel?